Welcome to Study Loop.
Given a surface and we're asked to find the area of this surface. The surface is the part of the surface y equals 4x plus c squared that lies between the planes x equals 0, x equals 1, z equals 0, and z equals 1. First of all, notice that parametric representation for this surface is x equals x, y equals 4x plus z squared, and z equals z, where x and z are the parameters. And we have that x lies between 0 and 1, as does z. And therefore, it follows that Rx crossed with Rz, well, Rx is the vector function whose components are the partial derivatives with respect to x of the components of R. So this is going to be the vector 1i plus 4j plus 0k crossed with Rz, which likewise is 0i plus 2zj plus 1k. And evaluating this cross product, we get 4i minus 1j plus 2z k. And then we have that the area of this surface, this is the double integral over our domain of the norm of this cross product, which written as an iterated integral is the integral from z equals 0 to z equals 1, integral from x equals 0 to x equals 1 of the norm is the square root of the sum of the squares of the components. So this is 4 squared, which is 16, plus 1 squared, which is 1, plus 2z squared, which is 4z squared, dz dx. Sorry, dx dz. Taking the antiderivative with respect to x and evaluating, we get the integral from 0 to 1 of the square root of 17 plus 4z squared dz. Taking the antiderivative, we get 1/2 times z times the square root of 17 plus 4z squared plus 17 over 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of 2z plus the square root of 4z squared plus 17, evaluated from 0 to 1. To find this antiderivative, you could either use trig substitution or simply look in the back of the book in the table of integrals. And evaluating by plugging in, this simplifies to root 21 over 2 plus 17 over 4 times the natural log of, and this is going to be the absolute value of 2 plus the square root of 4 plus 21 is 2 plus root 21, which of course is positive, so it's just the natural log of 2 plus root 21. Minus the natural log of root 17, the absolute value of root 17, which again is positive, so simply minus the natural log of root 17. And this could be written in a different form, but this is the area of our surface.